In my previous vlog of Bali, I showed you things to explore in Bali while staying in Ubud. Now I'll take you to Gili Islands from Ubud to show our journey ahead in Bali. Bali had a lot for travelers, so in this vlog I will show you things to explore in Gili Islands and Nusa Penida and best of sunset and temple in Bali. Day 4. Gili Islands. Located off the northwest corner of Lombok, Gili Island are three unspoiled isles where the sand is still powdery white, the water is clear sparkling turquoise, and a breath of fresh air we city folks can only dream of. Unique about the Gili Island is that there is no car on the island. It is so small that within 30 minutes you can explore the entire island by bicycle. The local transport is bike, electric bikes or horse taxis. From Bali, take the fast boat to Gili Islands. Boat runs from the harbour of Serangan, Sanur, Padong Bay and Amed. Expect to pay anywhere between 400,000 and 900,000 Indonesian rupees for a return ticket to Bali. The price depends on the company, luxury and season. The boat to Gili Air takes 2.5 hours with the fast boat. Explore the underwater world of the Gili Island. Just off the coast of Gili Mino are the sculptures in the water meant as a diving site and home to countless fishes. Once you put your goggles underwater, you will discover an entirely new world. Gili Mino is a 15-minute boat trip from Gili Air. We highly recommend this as it was our absolute favorite thing to do in Gili Air. A new underwater sculpture in Indonesia will take divers to a hauntingly beautiful place below the surface where human figures will slowly become a coral reef. The figures are arranged in a circular formation as an echo of the cycle of life, and they will soon teem with life. This is also a bridge between the human and marine worlds. It's accessible to anyone and is just a short swim from a beach open to all. I hope people will visit it both as a piece of art and as an entrance point to the underwater world. In the evening, we suggest grab one of the beanbags at Gili Lombok Beach Club, enjoy live music and see the sun setting into the ocean with the backdrop of the volcano on Bali. Have a swing at one of the many swings around Gili Air. They are owned by the beach club, but don't worry, it is free to swing. The swings are there for your perfect travel photo on Instagram. These swings have no line to get a photo. During sunset, the swing turns out extra magical. Day 5. If you thought Bali is the most fascinating and trending place to visit, then you might be wrong. Just few miles away from Bali sits the Nusa Penida Island, which is nothing less than a hidden treasure. The island is beautiful and offers unique experience that you would have surely never had before. From beaches and cliffs to springs and waterfalls, it has so much in store that you can explore and thrill yourself for hours. Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida Island offers a maze of adventure and location that will leave you jaw-dropped and gasping with excitement around every corner. The ferry leaves multiple times per day from Sanur. If you book it in advance, often you can have your pickup from hotel included. There are two popular Nusa Penida day trips. The first one is West Nusa Penida, which is most popular. This is the Nusa Penida tour you should book on your first time to Nusa Penida. It will take you to the most of the spots which are very famous among the tourists. Klingsking Beach, Broken Beach, Angels Billabong and Crystal Bay. The tour cost you around 600,000 Indonesian rupees per person. You can add snorkeling as an optional activity at an additional cost. The other one is East Nusa Penida, which is less popular. This tour takes you further inland to Nusa Penida, to area like Atu Beach and Ruma Pohan tree houses. It was my first trip, so I choose the popular one, that is West Tour. Klingsking Beach, the Instagram famous coastal cliffscape, which truly does look like a T-Rex, didn't disappoint. I still remember the moment I laid eye on the beach below. It felt like I was a human drone. I watched the crystal clear water slowly forms into a wave before crashing below us in what seems like slow motion. Klingsking Beach is 100% sure the most spectacular place on Nusa Penida. White sand and a piece of land shaped like a dinosaur head. The view from the top is incredible, but be prepared if you want to hike down to the beach. This hike down is a 45 minutes incredibly steep path and not very safe path. A 45-minute bumpy ride from Klingsking take you to this spectacular gate called Angel's Billabong. Angel's Billabong is one of the magical spots you can't help but marvel at. A crystal clear tide pool cascades into the ocean on the east coast of Nusa Penida. The Billabong is a remarkable formation. The crystal clear water allows you to see the patterns and the textures beneath the surface. In some areas, the water is deep enough for a little dip. It is highly photographed spot on Nusa Penida because of how unique the landscape is. Just 150 meters from Angel Billabong, there is a Broken Beach. Broken Beach is an incredible little cove on Nusa Penida Island. The highlight of the cove and the reason it is called Broken Beach is due to the archway that wraps around the bay, allowing water to flow in and out from the ocean. All around the world, there are unique ways in which the earth has eroded over time. Sometimes Mother Nature leaves us with something quite remarkable. On Nusa Penida, one of those places that leave us in a state of awe at how over million of years the earth has ended up as beautiful as it appears before us right now. The arch at Broken Beach has been formed over many years and is now a truly spectacle. From above, the cove appears almost circular and close in. However, at eye level, the arch is quite high. Day 6 and 7. Last 2 days we spent in Kuta and decide to explore beach clubs in daytime and watch two most famous sunsets, one at Uluwatu Temple and other at Tanah. If you haven't sprawled out beside a white sand beach with a designer cocktail in hand and your toes touching a glittering infinity pool, while away in sunshine day at one of Bali's best beach clubs is high priority on every Bali bucket list. Hanging out at Bali's many beach clubs is probably one of the best way to truly enjoy your holiday in Bali. Great drinks, good food, fine tunes and an awesome view make for a very memorable Bali experience. Uluwatu Temple. Uluwatu is one of Bali's most important sea temples, positioned on a tall cliff edge on the island's southwestern Bukit Peninsula. By day, you can take in the picturesque seascape from over the temple's wall and cliff border and occasionally spot monkeys that inhabit the surrounding forest. In the late afternoon, you can wait for the dramatic sunset or book early for a spot at the open air amphitheater nearby, where Karak fire dances are performed with the sunset and the ocean as an exotic backdrop. The waves below the cliff and the temple are hailed as among Bali's best and internationally known surf spot. Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot is among the island's most iconic temples, positioned on top of a rock and surrounded by the waves of the open sea that constantly crash against its base. The temple is scenic by day against the blue ocean and sky, but the scene is most dramatic during sunset, with its still-out creating one of Bali's picturesque postcard images. Tanah Lot pays homages to the guardian spirits of the sea, and it's among Bali's key sea temple. The onshore site is dotted with smaller shrines and visitors' leisure facilities such as shops, a cultural park where dance performances are shown regularly, restaurants where you can enjoy a sunset dinner with a memorable view.